Hi, this is Chris from Tata Xenon, and today we have a 2014 Tata Xenon Ute, stock reference number 5013. This shape runs from the first month 2010 through to the first month 2018. It has a 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has one large dent. Left rear door also has one large dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Factory alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets. Triple M brand. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tata Xenon, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.